How to enable or disable sound and vibration for gaming home notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gaming home app. So after click on gaming home app, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Sorry, now in gaming home settings, scroll down, and click on notifications. So after click on notification, so if you want to enable or disable sound and vibration for gaming hub, you will the sound and vibration is here. So if you want to disable sound and vibration, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see gaming hub sound and vibration is disabled. So if you want to enable sound and vibration gaming hub, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see sound and vibration gaming home notification is enabled. So you will enable or disable sound and vibration gaming home from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can enable or disable sound and vibration for gaming hub notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.